Welcome to the Item and Vision Pro demo. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to connect your Bluetooth scanner, printer, and scale. First, let's connect the Bluetooth scanner. Go to Settings and select Bluetooth. Pair the scanner with your device. Test to ensure the scanner is working correctly. Next, we'll connect the printer and scale. Connect the printer and scale to your computer. Install the Item Device Hub app on your computer and open it. Open Item WMS on Vision Pro. Go to Settings and select Device Hub setting. Scan the QR code displayed on the Device Hub. Select the label printer, regular paper print, and weight scale. And you're ready to go. Thank you for watching this Item and Vision Pro demo. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Happy scanning!